Okay, so like I said last night, I'm gonna finally show you guys how to make my lovely cheesy pasta with penne noodles. Now that I'm done with my little icy business, it's time to hook up the real food. So right now I'm about to season my chicken. I'm gonna hook up my jerk seasoning, which I have all of my seasons: paprika, black pepper, paprika, cayenne pepper, crushed red peppers. Did I say garlic powder? Oh yeah, I finally got it. Some allspice and some ground cinnamon. My noodles are over here chilling. They're ready to go. Pasta, but right now let's at least get the chicken started so I can hook up the pasta and then do the chicken after. So here we go. So I'm gonna put this in just for 5 minutes because I'm gonna start hooking up my pasta and I want everything to be done at the same time. So here we go. So guys, what I have in here is some oil. I got the pan on. I'm gonna fry up my cutlets and saute them at the same time. So here we go. I'm gonna throw some onions on there and some garlic. Let's get all nice and fluorescent. Okay, now that I can smell what the onions and garlic is cooking, I'm gonna put my chicken inside of here. Yo, why am I so cheesy like that? I don't know. I do not know, guys. But here we go. Okay, so now I'm just putting the onions on top to get a little bit of flavor. See? Now I'm gonna turn it over. Turn them over. Okay, so now that everything is nice and blackened the way I want, I'm gonna add some water in there with the rest of my seasoning and cover it up. So now it's gonna caramelize and take all of this that's all around this pan and get into my chicken. So now I have the butter in the pan. It's time to make my cream sauce. I still have a piece of butter from the other dish that I made the other day. It just has garlic and parsley in there, which is everything that I need in this dish. So here we go with the heavy cream. And the butter is brown, but it will get lighter. Now that it's bubbled up, I'll add some garlic powder, a lot of garlic powder, and some more cream. I'll add some salt. And now we'll start adding my Parmesan cheese little by little. Okay, now all of my cheese is in, and you see how this is consistent like this. Now I'm going to add more cream until it gets thinner and thinner to the way that I just added some more garlic powder. I already started tasting it, but you see how it is now? So I'm just going to keep stirring it and tasting it until it gets to the flavor that I love. Now that the sauce is all done, what I've added here is some little cherry tomatoes. So I'm just going to let those get a little bit wilted and we're finished. Okay guys, so I'm all done. The chicken is finished. I'm going to chop some of these up. I had to try a piece. It's so nice and tender, love. It tastes really jerky. It's great. It's really hot too. So now I'm going to hook up my pasta and then I'll put